Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the following Mathcounts problem where we have to test our knowledge of the distance formula. And so let's start with a quick read. So the parabola y equals x squared minus x minus 2 and the line y equals x plus 1 intersect in 2 points. And we want to find the distance between these 2 points and express your answer as a simplest radical form. Okay, so just the first thing we have to realize is for two equations to intersect, that means that we can set those equations equal to each other and find the points where the 2 points intersect, obviously, where the two graphs intersect, right? So for example, what we would do is set x squared minus x minus 2 equal to x plus 1, because this is where my x and y coordinates would be the same, so my two graphs would intersect. So now this is just x squared minus 2x, and we have minus 3 is equal to 0. And this can actually be factored to x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. And so now what does this mean? This means that x equals 3 and x equals negative 1 both represent a potential point on the graph that lies on both the line y equals x plus 1 and the given parabola. Right, so if we look at x equals 3, for example, plugging this into the parabola, we get y equals 9 minus 3 minus 2, which is 4, right? And then we also know that if we plug it into the line equation, we get y equals 3 plus 1, which is also 4, right? So this works out. We've checked that x is 3 and y is 4 is a potential solution. Is one of our solutions, I should say. And then now we check x equals negative 1. This means y equals 1, right? Negative 1 squared is 1. Then you have minus negative 1, which is just plus 1, minus 2. So that's 0. And plugging it into the equation of the line, you get negative 1 plus 1, which is 0 again. So our other point is just negative 1 comma 0. And so if we just graph these 2 points to get an idea of what it looks like, you basically have 3 comma 4 is somewhere up here, right, where this is 3, this is 4, and then you have negative 1, 0. And we want to find this distance right here. So I could use a distance formula, right, but something that might be just a little quicker, right, just visually looking at it, right, because if I do this in a different color, so this right triangle that we formed, the height right here of this triangle is 4, right? Because that's just pretty much this right here. And then the width of this is also 4, because negative 1 to 3 is 4. And so our hypotenuse, which if we do in black right here, our hypotenuse would just be, or the distance we're trying to find is just the hypotenuse of a graph that's 4 by 4, or a right triangle that has length 4 and 4. We know that's just 4 root 2 because this is 90 and you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So our answer is 4 root 2. And so that should be all for today's question. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe really helps us out. But anyways, that should be it for today, and we will be back again with another video tomorrow. Thanks to everyone for joining.